and nothing I make us say your flag bearer in opposition, Eka say he believes say see the state of emergency eba ewo illegal mining ebeboa as at that time no all kasa no ne bia de no hu enti na all kano but ene waba be your mampeni enti so kwa me waba be your mampeni na say sebi bia picture na different na
enti from afar the picture is different.
oh kwa me
President John Dramani Mahama with total failure. Why total failure? Ono kasa no confo na kasa no say why total failure. And this man or catch and say if the president in opposition or betuma kasa keke they be na omuye opposition in anu just for fun. It's just to get people to vote for them. And say na mwanya vote in the no. You people are telling us, and Satano, now move abontinti mu nim the was see a maba picture no. Then you people should go and apologize to Nanado Dan Kwakufado. If President John Dramani Mahama today would tell us that they were or a year own hunu na sisia and yes hanetia, and the President John Dramani Mahama, which with due all respect, sir, please go and beg Nanado Dan Kwakufado. Come out clean, come out and tell Ghanaians say, oh, Nanado Dan Kwakufado, na who break you my power, but na me nim say na identity because who when it comes to fight of Galamsey, President John Dramani Mahama want to me anya quarter crown want to me anya one year quarter. Obusia, my go share videos number
discussion. Make a Galamsey, make a Omampenyin, a responses Enra. And say no, have we lost the fight? Say state of emergency and ye can say ye ma abanda danon ye. Na say ye na ushe baby ekuya. Galamsey ye bet me.
General, General.
Yes, Abasa.
Before the election, Manti will be biada say NDC a press conference. Eka say yeah, state of emergency. Illegal.
Keke.
Maintain. So, I'm here. Me say NDC press conference.
Keke.
Maintain that.
Keke.
Individuals.
Keke, my body bet 10 times. Keke.
Kwame. Me ba.
Oh, Debra.
Chairman General.
Oh, send me new way.
Chairman General.
Keke.
Say individuals. Ewo NDC mu ene kan ye dia. That is different.
Keke.
But maintain. Say me will have to be educated.
Keke.
Okay, me too.
Obian can say NDC press conference. Okay. Obian ni wa kasa.
Okay.
Into press conference ni free.
Okay.
Into see individuals. And okay.
Me say individuals can make statements. Yes. Individuals say, "Oh yeah, ben musisi can make statements." So they believe say that is omwadwenkyere. They believe say the state of emergency.
An idiom.
Okay.
A flag bearer and a president.
Okay.
AKB. An idiom. Intimanya the individuals to say be a sebio food soldier be.
Chairman General.
In fact, current minister, I was sector minister.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Education minister KB, communication minister KB.
Okay.
Nipa be brave KB.
Okay.
Don't let's trivialize it to press conference. Any press conference as baby I do no. And into now journalists share the bisa about state of emergency because they are there na damwano e de ba bam. Enti say we dey cover press conference.
And nothing na make say your flag bearer in opposition e can say he believes say the state of emergency eba ewo illegal mining ebeboa as at that time na all kasa no na bia de no hu enti na all kano but ene waba be your mampeni enti so kwa me waba be your mampeni na say sebi bia picture na different na
enti from afar the picture is different.
Oh Kwame say
so this NDC communicator is telling us say Omanye press conference the NDC have not done any press conference Obukache Ghana for say the Nanado Dan Kwakufado has to declare state of emergency or Galamsey site. Obusia for Mumayenko Nenko she video President John Dramani Mahama ni sema wakamfa Nanado Dan Kwakufado sa time no all pet to me aba. Utin sema papa wait to me comfort Nana do go for the who cry we show. My go shebra.
Indeed, if we were in some other jurisdiction, he would have resigned by now. By his word, he put his presidency on the line. Because now his own people have been found to be the ones engaged. All their party executives have, concessions and are doing illegal mining in forest reserves. It's a pity. But it's close to home, and that's why he can't deal with it. If you go to the districts, they talk about community mining. Community mining is the MPP party executives and the DCAs who are doing the community mining. And so they are the ones doing what they're doing. And so how can you expect him to fight, Galamsey when his own people are involved in it?
Yeah, the president lacks the political will to do this.
He does. It makes very nice, verbiage when you talk about it and you express a will to do something with. Action speaks louder than words. Our river bodies are still the coffee color that they were. Maybe they were Milo before, they are looking like coffee now, getting darker. And they all know who are doing it. The champagne machines are there. It's not something that you can put in a handbag and walk and go and do it here. They put it there. And so how come you can't find the champagne machines, that are washing all that mud into the river bodies? So I think he's failed when it comes to illegal gold mining.
President John Dramani Mahama. So now that Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo is no more the president of the land, Galamsey Kotsu Gidi. Sisi champagne no. Yeah, the 2 buckets and a bag at the cop Riverside honum ko Galamsey nana. And to see because then now you were accusing Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo for he himself involving in the Galamsey and in the appointees and in the party members and unti and on to me fighting Galamsey as you claim. And then now who catch it and say who to me ku Galamsey and I say oh you can't fight the Galamsey. Now why mo na Galamsey is here? Are these people your family members? That is why you don't want to stop the Galamsey. Are these people your party members? The people that are doing Galamsey, are these people your party members? That is why you are failing to fight the Galamsey. Look at what is happening. Look at what is happening today. You see, this is the timer. That so-called Ghana whatever RAF. This is the time we have to see RAF. If RAF thinks he thinks about Ghana and he loves Ghana so much with his life, this is the time. This is the time for him to show oh, now what I was fighting another than Akufo-Addo. You can buy and can bo. Captain Smart Muda Mudi Nkofoko TV station so muko a demonstration and Nkofo esu amuso so mumu. That time this is the time for us to see those same things. But when you